First, take a look at the AI cinematic film I created. It looks incredibly realistic, just like a real movie. As you can see, the final result is absolutely amazing. With high-quality cinematic visuals, you can easily create realistic AI films like this by following the complete workflow I'll show you in this course. I'll explain step-by-step how to use Higgsfield to produce professional cinematic videos with ease. Now, let's look at some YouTube channels. As you can see, many of these channels are getting millions of views. For example, one of these videos has over 8.2 million views. These channels focus on cinematic storytelling, short films, and AI-generated content. You can use these channels for inspiration and create your own unique AI cinematic films by adjusting the prompts and adding your own creative ideas. Whether you want to create YouTube shorts, long-form videos, AI movies, or cinematic stories, this complete course will teach you everything, from writing powerful prompts to generating high-quality AI scenes. You can use these skills to grow your YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram account, or any other social media platform. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Now let's get started and learn how to create trending AI cinematic films from scratch. Alright everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Higgsfield Audio together with Adobe Premiere Pro. By combining these powerful tools, you can create high-quality AI images, cinematic videos, short films, commercials, stories, and much more. I'll guide you through the complete workflow step by step, so you can easily produce professional-looking content for YouTube, social media, or your clients. First of all, I'll provide the link in the description. Just click the link, and you'll be taken directly to the website. Before anything else, make sure you download and install Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you're on the website, click the cable, and as you can see, the download will start. The biggest advantage is that I'll show you how to connect Adobe Premiere Pro with Higgsfield and how you can create AI videos, cinematic films, and much more. In this complete course, I'll explain everything step by step. Now I'll install the plugin. As you can see, the installation is very simple. Once it's installed, open Adobe Premiere Pro, create a new project, and give it any name you like, such as Higgsfield. After that, go to the Sand, Window, Menu and open the Higgsfield panel. Then click Continue to Browser. My default browser is Firefox, so I'll select it. Now I'll click Allow, and everything will connect automatically. After that, it will ask you to return to Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll go back, and as you can see, the Higgsfield panel is now connected. Here you'll find features like Add Video, Remove Background, Reframe Video, Upscale Video, Image Generation, and Video Generation. Everything is available in one place. Using these tools, you can easily create AI videos, cinematic films, animations, stories, commercials, and much more. Now let's generate a video. I'll click on Video Generator. If I want to create a cinematic film, I'll go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Then I'll simply type, "Give me 7 Scene 2.0 Best Cinematic Prompts." You can also ask for 10 or 15 scenes if you want more cinematic prompts. You can even generate complete story ideas. Now I'll copy one of the prompts and paste it into Higgsfield.u. As soon as I click Generate, the AI will start creating the video. As you can see, the first video has already been generated, and the result looks amazing. Right now, the aspect ratio is 3:4. If you're creating a YouTube video, simply change it to 16:9. I'll select 16:9 and generate the video again. The AI will start creating the new version. It only takes a short time. Higgsfield is one of the best AI tools for creating cinematic videos, AI films, animations, and storytelling videos. You can create 7-second, 10-second, or even 15-second AI videos with high-quality cinematic results. In my opinion, it's one of the best and most popular AI websites for creating professional AI films and videos. After a short wait, the new scene is ready. Now the video has been generated in 16:9 YouTube format instead of 9:16. Take a look at the scene. It looks fantastic. I'll add this scene to my timeline, then copy the next prompt and paste it to generate the second scene. Now I'll paste the second prompt. It only takes a short time to generate, so you won't have to wait very long. As you can see, the first scene looks amazing. It has a very cinematic and professional result. One of the biggest advantages of using Higgsfield with Adobe Premiere Pro is that you can generate and edit your videos at the same time. Yes, you can easily create your complete video without switching between different applications. By connecting Higgsfield with Adobe Premiere Pro, your workflow becomes much faster and more efficient. The quality of the generated videos is also outstanding. You can create 10-second, 13-second, or even 15-second videos. The Cine 2.0 model delivers excellent cinematic results, which is why I highly recommend using it for your AI films and videos. Now we'll wait a few more moments. As you can see, the second video is now ready, and the result looks fantastic as well. The quality is excellent. I'll place this scene on the timeline just like the first one. Now let's move on to the third prompt. Now all of the videos have been generated successfully. As you can see, the final results look absolutely amazing with high-quality cinematic visuals. If you'd like to unlock more features and generate additional videos, you can upgrade your plan at any time. The pricing is very affordable, and there are several budget-friendly packages available to choose from. With these plans, you can create AI films, cinematic videos, commercials, short films, stories, and much more with ease. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.